Managing and transforming your data in your database can feel like a never-ending task. But what if I told you you could simply tell your database what changes you would want to make to your data in plain language and have it handle all technical details for you? That's exactly where Weaviate's new transformation agent comes in. The transformation agent is our latest agentic AI service that lets you transform your data in your Weaviate collections using natural language instructions. It combines the power of large language models with database operations to automatically enhance and modify your collections without you having to write any complex code or queries. And the best part? It's now available in public preview for all Weaviate serverless cloud users, including free sandbox accounts. Now, let me show you a real-world example of how this really works. Let's say we have a collection of research papers with just basic information, like a title and an abstract. But what if we wanted to add more useful information to help organize these papers? For instance, what topics they cover or a translation of the abstract. Now, without the transformation agent, we would need to write code to extract the topics of each paper, process it with an LLM, and create new properties, and then write everything back to the database. And I'm even being generous here. I'm not even mentioning the error handling, data validation, and the inevitable debugging sessions, and so on. The transformation agent handles all of this for us with simple natural language instructions.
Now let's take a look at an example of the transformation agent in action. In this first release, our transformation agent is capable of two operations: update property and append property. Each operation can be described in natural language, and the final agent can be provided with multiple operations for the same collection. You can think of each transformation operation as its very own mini agentic workflow. The instruction described in human language provides the blueprint of what it should do to or with our collection. Let's think of an example that Femke opened with. We have a collection full of research papers, but our initial collection only has the abstract and title for each research paper. We don't have any list of topics yet. We can see how each object in this collection looks like in the Explorer tool in the Weaviate Cloud Console. Now, let's start by defining an append property operation and explain what we want in the instruction. In this case, we want to extract topics from the abstract. Let's provide the instruction: create a list of topic tags based on the abstract. Topics should be distinct from each other, provide a maximum of 5 topics, and group similar topics under one topic tag. Now, the first release of the transformation agent also expects some additional inputs for each operation beyond just the instruction. We are modifying a collection after all, so these additional inputs allow us to use LLMs for our bidding while still working within certain confines, making sure our data is in the shape we want it to be. For the append property operation, we can provide an additional 3 inputs: property name to indicate the new name of the new property we want to add to the object in our collection, data type, which is quite important. It allows us to make sure that each new entry has the expected data type, and finally, view properties, which allows us to define which existing property the agent can use while creating the new property. Once ready, we can initialize the transformation agent, indicating what collection we want it to transform and provide our operations to it. Now we have a transformation agent with just one operation, and we can run it and take another look at our objects in the collection in the Explorer tool. And voila! Once the agent is done, we have our brand new topics property for each paper. Try out the transformation agent with Weaviate serverless cloud or free sandboxes and let us know what you think. This service is now available to preview, so of course, please don't use it with your production collections yet. The example we just went through with even more operations is available in the Getting Started recipe as well. Enjoy!